How much honey do? What's up, guys? And we're back with another video. Today I'm with one of my favorite cousins. Her name is Shayna, and this is her Roblox avatar right here. Her name is Sweet Baby Shayna, and on Roblox. And her channel description is
Sweet Baby Pop Tart.
Sweet Baby Pop Tart. And
my Roblox username.
Yeah, she planned on changing her Roblox username. Well, if you check out, if you like Gacha Life and stuff like that, she makes Gacha Life videos on her channel.
I am currently doing a series, Living with K-pop idols. Don't do it.
Did you freaking have to say that?
Yes.
Why? Don't judge her. Don't judge her. She loves K-pop.
Yes.
Don't judge her. She loves K-pop.
As soon as this video is over, just watch me go straight to listening to BTS.
So if you
not to sing because I don't want to get copyrighted.
So if you like Gacha Life videos and other things, just go to her channel, and she is currently working on a series.
Wonderful, but it's not. It's really not.
Mine is almost full, but also nowhere near full.
The infinite one.
No, this ain't infinite. It goes up to a certain amount. About 544,000 honey.
Mine only go up to 10,000. I'm a no. I shouldn't have deleted Roblox.
I've been playing on this game for the longest of time, and look, when I get
this game as soon as I started playing it, I got it.
Look, and as you can see, Shayna, I also updated my character. I use routes. I use the power of routes. If you ever go on like the last one of Mother Bear's quest, it's called Mother Bear 7 to 7. You gotta get 500 treats. This is a spoiler alert. You gotta get 500 treats, raise a few beasts to level 7, and some more stuff. That was one of the hardest quests ever. I'm on Mother Bear's 8 to...
Some of my bees are on level 5 to 6.
I got a bees level 7 to 6. On my quest, Mother Bear's midterm, you gotta get 3 bees to level 8.
My camera keeps zooming out by itself.
I don't know. On Mother Bear's midterm, you gotta get 3 bees to level 8, raise 9 bees to level 7, raise 15 bees to level 6, raise 1,000 bees to level, how many bees do you got, girl? And how much, how many tickets do you have? Yeah. Go check your tickets. Go check your tickets. This is, press the egg button. Press the egg button. And then check your tickets. Go down.
This up, boo.
Oh, you don't got no tickets, girl.
Nope, I don't got none.
You better start defeating bosses and getting tickets and stuff.
That's why I said, like, I had to defeat 15 ladybugs, but I started defeating them. But then I only defeated 3 of them, but I need to defeat more.
My stuff.
Oh shoot!
What?
Oh!
What? The ladybug? The ladybug?
It's a rat. You remember that mine?
Yeah.
Oh shoot!
Look.
It's a rat.
Look.
What?
Look. Oh shoot! It's red.
Oh shoot! It's a cockroach.
What is that?
He said cockroach. What he meant to say? He went from, oh shoot, it's a cockroach, to oh shoot, it's a cockroach. Like, what? Boy.
My stuff is so laggy right now. Look, I am Panda Bear.
Oh, my video just ended. by itself. Hold on.
Okay.
I gotta leave because
Okay, I
I
have.
have to delete some stuff from my
I
storage
want
so
to-
I can make this video.
I'm gonna leave too.
Oh.
Make sure to watch part 2 of this video, everybody, so you can watch more of me flexing on my cousin Shayna because she has no knees. Oh my god! And she's also older than me.
Yes.
Goodbye, YouTube.
Man, I can't
See
even
you
open my
next
storage.
time.
I can't even open my storage without having this pop up.
What?
This is what I get for having so many screenshots.
What the heck, girl?
This how I make my guidelines. I gotta screenshot it. Yes, yeah. I'm finna take a bunch of K-pop pictures.